Hi students, welcome to our channel Physics Concepts by Ali sir. How are you all of you? I hope everybody is fine. And today's session we are going to discuss about trigonometric values, part of basic mathematics for JEE as well as NEET. And see, these trigonometric values often makes us to get lot of confusion. The reason is the values are ranging from 0, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 1, my god. These all values are very similar and very close to 1 to 1, and so it leads lot of confusion to us, and because of this confusion there will be possibilities are there to lose marks in the exam. So nothing to worry about that, and no need of memorizing anything, and within a matter of 1 minute and we are going to learn about all the trigonometric values without any memorizing. Let's go for that. And now let us see that I have written the blank table on this one. And first of all, now let us start with now take a 0 and 1. Write the numbers in the increasing order. I think there is no difficulty to write those numbers. And divide each number with 4. Divide each number with 4. Each and every number you divide with 4. And afterwards make a square root for all. Each and every number you make a square root. Now let's go, now let's go the simple simplification. And here root 0 by 4 everything will become 0. Root 0 in sense again we can consider that is 0 only. And now this square root is there, let us apply the square root for numerator as well as denominator. And so root 1 that is equal to 1 by root 4 that is 2. Yes. And now this is, let's make a simple simplification, cancellation, 2 ones, 2 twos. Then ultimately what will be left? And here is root 1 means 1 by, that will be root 2. Is it okay? Root 2, 1 by root 2. And what about this one? Now let's apply again square root. Root 3 as it is we will write. Root 4 is 2. Root 3 by 2. And here now let's make a cancellation, 4 ones, 4 ones. That will becomes as a root 1. We can say that we can take it as a 1. Moving on. 99.99% of your job has been completed. These all values. See, sin 0, 0, sin 30, 1 by 2, sin 45, 1 by root 2, sin 60, root 3 by 2, and even sin 90 is a 1. Now let us go for the cos. It's very simple. Then what is the last value in this series? 1. Write that one here. Last value right here. Okay. Last but one value root 3 by 2. You write that root 3 by 2 here. The next one from the right side to this right to left 1 by root 2. So take 1 by root 2. Next number 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Last one is 0. That's it. Very simple it is, right? And now see, cos 0 1. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. Cos 45 1 by root 2. Cos 60 1 by 2. And even cos 90 that is a 0. And what about tan? Let's take one simple trigonometrical function, that is tan theta is equal to what formula we have, that is sin theta by cos theta. So here is now let's take tan 0. Tan 0 means sin 0 by cos 0. So 0 by 1 that gives you that 0. And now tan 30. Tan 30 value now let's take. Tan 30 is equal to, then that is sin 30 by cos 30. Sin 30 value 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. Then that will be how it will be, that will become as a reciprocal. And so 2 by root 3 and 2 to get cancels. What will be left? 1 by root 3. So that is 1 by root 3. And it is very easy because tan 45 means sin 45 1 by root 2 by cos 45 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2 that is a 1. And here is now tan 60. Tan 60 in sense, now let us take here. Tan 60. Tan 60 is equal to, what is the formula? Sin 60 by cos 60. And sin 60 value that is root 3 by 2 from table by 1 by 2 from the table. And so this will be root 3 by 2 into 2 by 1. 2 to get cancelled. Ultimately what will be left? Root 3. Is it okay? Next. Tan 90. And tan 90 in sense sin 90. Sin 90 value how much? 1. Cos 90 value how much is 1? 1 by 0 is undefined. What is that one? Undefined. That's it. 90% remaining all job completed. Now let's go for the cosec theta. These cosec theta, secant theta, cot theta are the reciprocals of these three functions, isn't it? And cosec theta, in sense, what is meant by cosec theta? That is nothing but the reciprocal of sin theta. And so then what is cosec 0? That will be sin 0 reciprocal. And sin 0 is how much is that? 0. 0 means that is a 0 by 1. What is the reciprocal for this one? That is a 1 by 0. So that is undefined. What about the next one? And so sin 30. Sin 30 is equal to how much is that? 1 by 2. This reciprocal is cosec theta. And so 1 by 2 reciprocal is 2 by 1. And so we can take it as a 2. The next, sin 45, what is the value? 1 by root 2. And this reciprocal is cosec theta. So 1 by 2 reciprocal is, then how much is that? Root 2. And sin 60, root 3 by 2. What is the reciprocal? So cosec 60 will be the reciprocal of sin 60. And so that will be 2 by root 3. And next one is, and see, then last one, sin 90. Sin 90 value, how much is that? 1. And this reciprocal is cosec 90. And so 1 by 1, again that will be 1 only. Now let's go for that second. And then this is secant theta. Secant theta is reciprocal of cos theta, sec theta. And see this theta, and how much is that cos 0? That is 1. Reciprocal of cos 0 is secant theta. That is 1 by 1 means again we will get 1. And cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. Its reciprocal is sec theta. That will become 2 by root 3. And again cos 45, 1 by root 2, its reciprocal will become root 2. And then again cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2, its reciprocal is 2 by 1, that will be 2. And last one in this series, cos 0, that is cos 90, that is 0. 0 in sense we know that. How much is that? 0 by 1. Its reciprocal is 1 by 0. So that is undefined. And see the next one is cot theta. And cos, then this is reciprocal. And now let's go with the tan theta. Tan theta, of course, and of course, both we can take. Cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. So 1 by tan theta. And so cot theta is equal to how much is that? Reciprocal of tan theta. Tan theta is equal to tan 0 is equal to how much that? 0. 0 in sense 0 by 1. The reciprocal is 1 by 0. So that is again undefined. And again tan 30, how much is that? 1 by root 3. So its reciprocal is root 3. And tan 45, 1. So cot is its reciprocal. Cot 45 in sense, again 1 by 1 means 1. And tan 60, how much is that? Tan 60, that root 3. Reciprocal is how much is that? 1 by root 3. And last one, see that tan 90. Tan 90 is equal to how much is that? Undefined. And so what we can take? This one also undefined we can take. And see, it's very simple one. In this part, do you need to memorize anything? Actually, no. A simple calculation. The first part you have to keep in mind, that's enough. You can write the entire table. Whenever you are feeling any difficulty to memorize, first of all, don't memorize these all values. It's a matter of practice. So once if you know how to just calculate this procedure, you can write all values very easily. I hope that this session is very helpful for you, and support me, Nana. Wish you all the best. Go on studying.